implementing blockchain for secure voting systems. In a world where trust in electoral processes is crucial, blockchain technology promises a revolution in how we cast and count votes. If you haven't yet, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more insights into the tech that's reshaping our world. Let's get started. Number 1. What is blockchain and why is it secure? Blockchain is a decentralized ledger that records transactions in a secure, immutable manner. Each block contains a list of transactions, and each block is connected to the previous one, forming a chain. This structure makes it nearly impossible to alter or tamper with the data once it's been added. In the context of voting, this means each vote becomes a secure and traceable transaction, providing transparency and accountability like never before. Number 2. Addressing voter fraud and tampering. One of the main concerns with traditional voting systems is the potential for fraud and tampering. Blockchain's decentralized nature removes the need for a central authority to manage the voting process, reducing the risk of manipulation. In addition, each vote on a blockchain is encrypted and linked to a unique identifier, ensuring that it's authentic and hasn't been altered. This level of security addresses the concerns of voter fraud, which have plagued traditional systems for years. Number 3. Ensuring voter anonymity and privacy. While blockchain provides transparency, it also offers mechanisms to ensure voter anonymity. Votes can be encrypted in such a way that they are verified as legitimate, without revealing the voter's identity. This approach uses advanced cryptographic techniques like zero-knowledge proofs and homomorphic encryption, allowing for the validation of votes without compromising individual privacy. This balance between transparency and privacy is key to gaining public trust in blockchain-based voting systems. Number 4. Increasing accessibility and efficiency. Traditional voting systems can be cumbersome and inaccessible to many people, especially those in remote or rural areas. Blockchain voting systems can be designed to work online, allowing voters to cast their ballots from anywhere with an internet connection. This not only increases accessibility but also streamlines the voting process, reducing costs associated with physical ballots and polling stations. According to a recent study, blockchain-based voting systems could cut election costs up to 50%. Number 5. Building trust through transparency. One of the greatest benefits of blockchain in voting is the level of transparency it offers. With traditional systems, votes are often counted behind closed doors, leaving room for doubt and speculation. Blockchain, however, allows anyone to verify the integrity of the voting process. Each vote can be tracked and audited, providing a clear record of the election outcome. This transparency is vital for building public trust and ensuring confidence in the electoral system. Number 6. Overcoming challenges and limitations. Despite its advantages, implementing blockchain for voting systems comes with its own set of challenges. Security vulnerabilities, scalability issues, and the potential for centralization due to large mining pools are some of the risks that must be addressed. Additionally, blockchain voting systems must comply with local and international regulations, which can be complex and vary from country to country. To succeed, developers must focus on creating robust, scalable, and compliant systems that meet the needs of diverse electoral environments. Number 7. The future of blockchain voting systems. The future of blockchain-based voting looks promising, with several countries and organizations exploring its implementation. Estonia, for example, has been using blockchain in its e-residency program, demonstrating its potential for secure digital interactions. Similarly, Sierra Leone conducted a blockchain-based election in 2018, marking a significant milestone in the technology's adoption. These early examples suggest that blockchain has the potential to transform the way we conduct elections, making them more secure, transparent, and accessible. Number 8. Public education and adoption. For blockchain voting systems to gain widespread acceptance, public education and awareness are crucial. Many people may be unfamiliar with blockchain technology and its applications in voting. Governments, NGOs, and tech companies must invest in educational campaigns to explain the benefits of blockchain voting and address concerns about its implementation. By fostering understanding and trust, we can pave the way for the adoption of blockchain-based voting systems on a global scale. Number 9. Collaborative efforts in standards development. The successful implementation of blockchain voting systems requires collaboration between various stakeholders, including governments, technologists, and election officials. Standards development organizations play a crucial role in establishing guidelines and best practices for blockchain-based voting protocols. By working together to define standards and protocols, we can ensure interoperability, security, and transparency in blockchain voting systems across different jurisdictions. Number 10. Engaging stakeholders and ensuring security. An essential component of implementing blockchain for secure voting systems is engaging stakeholders and ensuring the technology's security. Governments must work closely with cybersecurity experts to identify and mitigate potential vulnerabilities. Involving election commissions, technologists, and the public in the development process fosters transparency and trust. Security audits, penetration testing, and robust encryption methods are critical to maintaining the integrity of blockchain-based voting. As blockchain becomes more integrated into electoral processes, ensuring security and stakeholder engagement is paramount to achieving widespread adoption and a secure, trusted voting system. In conclusion, blockchain technology holds tremendous potential for transforming democracy in the digital age. By providing secure, transparent, and accessible voting systems, blockchain can enhance trust in electoral processes and empower citizens to participate in democracy more effectively. While challenges remain, the benefits of blockchain-based voting are clear. With continued innovation, collaboration, and public education, we can harness the power of blockchain to build a more inclusive and democratic future for all. Implementing blockchain in voting systems is a complex endeavor, but the potential rewards are immense. By providing a secure, transparent, and accessible framework, blockchain has the power to revolutionize how we vote. The journey may be challenging, but with continued innovation and stakeholder collaboration, blockchain voting could become the new standard for democratic processes. Stay with us for more discussions on technology and its role in shaping our future. Subscribe for the latest insights and remember, the future of democracy is just a blockchain away.